Teaching Tagalog online can be a rewarding and flexible way to share your language skills with learners around the world. Here's a 6-step guide on how to get started. But before we get started, I kindly ask you to please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Tagalog is an Austronesian language, spoken as a first language by a quarter of the population of the Philippines and as a second language by the majority. It serves as the basis for Filipino, the national language and one of the official languages of the Philippines. Tagalog is taught in schools throughout the Philippines as part of the curriculum, ensuring that new generations are fluent in the language. Tagalog is spoken in many parts of the world, including the United States, Canada, the Middle East, and various Asian countries. Teaching Tagalog online can be a rewarding and flexible way to share your language skills with learners around the world. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Number 1, prepare your teaching materials. Start by creating a structured curriculum that covers everything from the basics to advanced levels of Tagalog. Include essential elements such as grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and cultural context. Next, develop detailed lesson plans for each session. Make sure to use a mix of exercises, quizzes, dialogues, and real-life conversation scenarios to keep things engaging. Lastly, prepare teaching aids like flashcards, audio recordings, videos, and worksheets to enhance the learning experience. Number 2, choose a teaching platform. You'll want to register as a tutor on online tutoring platforms such as italki, Preply, Verbling, or Wyzant, which are great for connecting language teachers with students globally. Alternatively, consider using virtual classroom software like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, or specialized teaching platforms like Teachable or Udemy for conducting live lessons or creating pre-recorded courses. Number 3, set up your teaching space. It's crucial to ensure you have a quiet, well-lit space with minimal background noise to conduct your lessons. Also, make use of a good quality microphone and webcam to ensure clear communication with your students. Lastly, having a stable and fast internet connection is essential to avoid disruptions during your lessons. Number 4, market your services. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your services. Don't forget to join groups that are related to language learning and teaching. Additionally, creating a website or blog to showcase your expertise, share free resources, and attract potential students can be incredibly beneficial. Also, encourage satisfied students to leave reviews and refer your services to others. This can significantly help in building your credibility and attracting new students. Number 5, conducting lessons. Make your sessions interactive by engaging students with activities such as role-playing, conversational practice, and interactive quizzes. Providing regular feedback and assessments is crucial to track student progress and adjust your teaching methods accordingly. Moreover, incorporating cultural elements like Filipino traditions, holidays, and history can make lessons more engaging and informative for your students. Number 6, continuous improvement. It's important to continuously enhance your teaching skills. Attend workshops, webinars, and training sessions to stay updated with the latest teaching methods. Also, regularly solicit feedback from your students to improve your teaching approach and address any concerns they might have. This ongoing process of learning and adapting will help you maintain a high standard of teaching. By following these steps, you can effectively teach Tagalog online. Teaching Tagalog online offers a unique and fulfilling opportunity to share your language and culture with a global audience. By preparing comprehensive teaching materials, choosing the right platform, and effectively marketing your services, you can create an engaging and impactful learning experience for your students. Embracing continuous improvement and student feedback will ensure your lessons remain effective and enjoyable, making your online teaching journey both rewarding and successful. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See the link below for more videos regarding making money incessantly. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for more videos you would like to see.